You just got a brand new USB MIDI controller and you want to use it with your PlayAUDIO1U. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to set that up and make it happen. What's happening, everybody? This is Will. Welcome back to the iConnectivity channel. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to use a USB MIDI controller. Here's what I've got to make that happen. I'm using this Oakboard Mini. It's a great little MIDI controller here. I have my PlayAUDIO1U. My PlayAUDIO1U is connected via USB-C to my computer. I've got my DAW of choice. I'm using Ableton Live 12 Suite. And then I've also downloaded Auracle for X Series, which is the free control software for iConnectivity. You can find the link to download that for free below this video in the description. Now let's get our MIDI controller set up. So first thing I'm gonna do is take my USB cable here, connect one into my MIDI controller. You guys know how to plug things in. I don't have to walk through that. I'm gonna take the other end though and plug this into the front of the PlayAUDIO1U. So I'm gonna hop up to access this a little easier. USB host port, this is what we're looking for. We're gonna plug in just like that. You can see this guy powers up beautifully and we're ready to rock and roll. Now, pro tip, whenever you're using a USB MIDI controller with Auracle, with a PlayAUDIO1U, MioXM, MioXL, first thing I do is I head over to Auracle for X Series. That's what we're gonna do. And we're gonna click on USB host reservation here. You'll see on this page, we have 8 host ports. I think the best way to think of a host port is like lanes on a highway. And when we're using a MIDI controller, we want to make sure that if we use host port 1 the first time we plug this in, then the next time we plug it in, it also goes to host 1 and it saves our MIDI routing. This is really important when we have multiple MIDI controllers, but this is a good practice to get into. So on this page, you can see host 1. I've got this set and I chose Oakboard Mini. That's ready to rock and roll. Now, by default, out of the box, my MIDI routing is going to work in my DAW, but I'm going to show you in case you're one of those people that likes to live life on the edge and change things around. Here's how to send your MIDI routing to multiple places. I'm going to show you where to go and kind of introduce this concept to you. So back in Auracle for X Series, let's go back out to our main page here. Let's go to MIDI routing. What's our connection? It's host 1. You can see right now, this is going to both my computers, showing up in my DAW and host 1, RTP1. If I wanted to send this out of my DIN, for example, I could click here to send that out of DIN. But I'm going to leave this just set exactly the way it is. But that's where you want to go if you were to make changes to your MIDI routing. Now, let's head into our DAW. Again, in my example, Ableton Live 12 Suite, you do you, whatever you're choosing. I'm going to go to my preferences, which is Command, comma. I'm going to go to Link Tempo MIDI in this case. On my input port, the port that I'm looking for here is host 1. Using this in Ableton, this is just an Ableton specific thing. I have to enable remote. And now I'm sending MIDI to my DAW. Now in Ableton, I'm gonna make a couple MIDI mappings. They actually align almost perfectly with this MIDI controller. So let's head back into Ableton. I'm gonna press tab. I'm gonna do Command M to MIDI map, select play, press play on my MIDI controller. It's there, press stop on my MIDI controller, select previous and map previous, and then select next and map next. And then now just to test this, I can press play, that's working. I can press stop and that is working. So obviously there's so much more you can do, but straight out of the box, plug in your USB MIDI controller, make that host port reservation. And in a redundant setup, I'm only using one computer in this scenario, in this tutorial, but in a redundant setup on both machines, that would show up as host 1, and I can enable my MIDI mapping and map at the same time. So that's how simple and easy it is to get up and running and started with using a USB MIDI controller with your iConnectivity PlayAUDIO1U. If you have any questions that I didn't answer in this video, click the link below to head over to our support page, check out our knowledge base, see all our fantastic articles there by our support team. And if that doesn't answer your question, you can submit a ticket and reach out to them. They'll be more than happy to help. But hey, have fun with that new USB MIDI controller, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care, everybody. Bye.